Hi, my name is Monisha Chakraborty. I come from Kolkata, West Bengal, and I've joined Lexicon MILE a few months back. And since then, I've explored myself more than I've done before. It has helped me in my overall growth. And today, here we are at Mahabaleshwar for our outbound activity that's beyond our classroom. We have learned a lot of skills through fun games like team bonding, time management, and it has also helped me work under pressure and stress. And I'm very grateful to Lexicon MILE for this.
Hello everyone, my name is Sachin Singh. I am from Jharkhand. I have enrolled in PGDM 25-27 batch, and last 6 months I have learned exceptionally good in Lexicon MILE, and they have taught us like team building, how to communicate properly, and the major thing about Lexicon MILE that they give one-to-one mentorship. They take care of each and every student.
Hi everyone, my name is Anushka Singh and I'm currently pursuing my PGDM in Lexicon MILE Pune. And you won't believe, but right now we are in Mahabaleshwar, which was held by Lexicon MILE only. And we've been enjoying our day like anything. And to be very honest, to be very frank, I have never enjoyed so much. And the activities that are going here and the way professors are holding it and enjoying with us, it's something that I've never felt, and I've never been like surrounded by such good professor and such positive people.
Hi, my name is Pranavli from Pune, Maharashtra. I have joined Lexicon MILE, Wagholi. From last 3 to 4 months, I have been experiencing personal relationship with Lexicon MILE. But as an honest student from Lexicon MILE, I can say that Lexicon MILE is best because if you want to discover your inner self, you have to be in there and you have to give your 100%. If you are giving your 100%, it is clear because a student in himself is a package which Lexicon MILE is just creating and triggering himself.